Gatsby and from Lima manufacturing company. And right now I'm in Dubai and the UAE country. And behind me is poultry production line, 3 to 4 tons per hour. Right now we have completed the installation of the backboard. Now we are installing the machine from the crushing part to the mixing part. Days later, 3 days later, we are going to make the test for the machine. From Lima manufacturing company in China. Right now I'm in city of the UAE country. Behind me, this is poultry production line with the capacity of 3 to 4 tons per hour. Behind me is the customer and workers are preparing the ingredients. And right now we are preparing to make the machine testing to be using these ingredients. You can see we use the different structure like body, and now the workers is weighing the different ingredients.